placing vocals is always a bit shit, isn't it? So sometimes just too loud and it seems out of the mix, sometimes too quiet, you don't get a word. So I want to show you what I did on that song by Vrrow, all the links in the description, to place these vocals like I think is good. So here we are, this lovely session by Vrrow. Song is out a while ago anyway. And if you watched my video about my mixing template, you already know what I do to the vocals. But I'm gonna show you in a bit more detail what I did here. So we have these lead vocals, we have a verse, we have a pre-chorus, something on the end. Oh yeah, the pre-chorus on the ending, and a double take lead vocal in the chorus. A VCA, I forgot what it's actually doing, and something happening in the last chorus I'll show you in a minute. And we only have these two backing vocals for the pre-chorus and the chorus, so second voicings actually. There's actually no doubles going on, no choir thingy or something, nothing, just main vocals. So the chorus are 3 vocals, that's it, a shouty one, a normal one, and a second voice, not more. So let me show you what I did. Just play the chorus a second, and then you hear what's going on. So there we go. Energetic and everything. Quite like it. So what did I do? I recorded properly in the fucking first place. So we went through a Blue Dragonfly into a Gold mic 9844. Pretty cheap one, but I actually like it on vocals. And then through my Clark Technique 1176 clone-ish. Just tapping off like 3 dB or something. That's my roughly estimation where I go to. Not more. Everything else is done in the box. So we have a few plugins here going on. We have a bit of EQ, not much, just low cutting and a bit of the mids, not much. And then we have this feather. This EQ is completely off, just a bit of low cut. Again, whatever. It's in because sometimes I want to EQ stuff with a Neve sound, and so that's why it's here. And doing not much of compression and a bit of tube sound. So let me show you what these two do to the sound. And I switch everything else off. I try to switch everything else off. It's a bit hard in my template to switch actually everything off. So we solo the vocals. Here we go.
Leave me be, leave me free, leave me so I can feel. Leave me be, leave me free, leave me so I can feel.
Yeah, actually, it gets a bit quieter, but as I don't care about gain staging, that's fine by me. And I want to grab this gain knob, but I'm not gonna do because I'm just... This is only show and tell. This is not mixing. So, and this song is already out, so it's too late anyway. So what you hear is just a bit more compression. Not much going on. So, but now the whole magic comes. Because it's 2 tracks, I guess it's actually fine if it's just quieter. And that's pretty much the same. I cut it a bit of lows in the soft one.
Leave me be, leave me free, leave me.
Both together. Yeah, sounded fine. And then all my template magic is happening, which is a bit of de-essing.
Leave me be, leave me free, leave me.
Just to get rid of this harshness bullshit you don't want anyway. And I guess a lot of compression. Let's see.
Leave me be, leave me free, leave me so I can feel. Leave me be, leave me free.
So not much going on here as well. You see? Not much going on. Just a bit of compression, tiny little bit. Again, a bit of getting rid of low end. not much going on. And the Airwalks, again, is not doing a whole lot.
Leave me be, leave me free.
Pretty much not working at all. But now the thing happens what I really, really like, because now I mix this stuff so it sits, so the pre-chorus, for example, sits nice, or the verse sits nice in the mix. And I just do it by adjusting the levels on the individual tracks into this compressor. This is what I do with this volume knob on my verse, on my pre-chorus, on my chorus channels. I set the input level to my compressor on my lead vocal bus. This is how I do it. And then, if I'm fancy and I stop getting a word, like, how do I do this? You don't really understand what she's singing, aren't you? So here's a trick I learned from Andrew Shubs, which is the vocal not only go into the lead bus, they also go into this thingy here, which is a Pultec style EQ, getting rid of all the lows, boosting the highs, compressing the hell out of it, boosting the lows, cutting the highs. So I'm doing these EQ are exactly opposite to each other. They're doing exactly the opposite. And this is just compressing the hell out of it. And this pushes the vocal forward. Or not pushing the vocal forward. You understand the words. I hope you heard what I did there. And I do this with all my mixes. That's living in everything. Also, I have a bit of distortion going on. Not much going on there. So this is what I did here. And the second voice is pretty much the same. It's just a bit of EQ, just a bit of compression. And they go into the exactly same single part like the lead vocals, but I got rid of my little EQ, compress the hell out of it, EQ it again trick. So there you go. And then just a bit of tape. And these are the vocals. And the rest is leveling. And I try not to over automate my vocal tracks. As you see, there's very, very little automation going on. This is this particular track. There are songs out there where I automate way more just because I need to. And sometimes it's tricky to find the right point. So I could, if I write an automation into these tracks, I'll write an automation into my compressor here. So I have to keep that in mind. So most of the time I write an automation on the lead combiner, which combines the lead bus and the lead multi, which is called multi because it used to be a multiband compressor before that. Anyway, so, and one thing I want to show you with this, how it is to push everything into a compressor. Listen what happens when these last chorus come in. This double voicing, they are panned hard left, hard right, and just listen to the main vocals. What happened? So what I did here is bypassing and not bypassing the compressor in the lead bus. And what you hear is that if there's no compressor, all these 4 tracks are going in. It seems a bit muddy, a bit, strange and out of place. But as soon as you compress it, the louder vocals will take the lead and the others step a bit back, which is the effect I actually want. So again, just leveling. I could change the level here, but actually they go into Here they go. Here they are into the imager. And then I changed the level here, which I actually didn't. And I hope you get what I mean. I hope that's a bit interesting and you learned something from it. There will be more videos about this song coming out soon. Hope you like it. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.